When I did my PhD, obviously I never thought of, getting into a university and stuff. It was in a secondary school. I started in City Super, in a supermarket as a customer service supervisor. And I think I worked for around 7 to 10 days, and my vice principal saw me working there. And at that time, our school started a program which we were delegated by the Education Bureau to run the initiation program, which is actually for the newly arrived kids from the mainland China and ethnic minority kids who just settled in Hong Kong. Our school is a very multicultural school. We're not only multicultural just because we have 27 different nationality students here, but I think it's the environment, the platform we have created over the past 35 years, and we are enriching that, whereby we are able to have students of different ethnic groups, ethnicity, religious belief under the same roof. Well, if you do it well, obviously it's a good thing. If it's not, it's a time bomb.
Like 21st of March is the Anti-Racial Discrimination Day, and since it's a holiday, we make it here. This is one of our important events in the school. So we call it a Hot Dog Day, which stands for Heat Out the Discrimination of Our Generation. And therefore, you can see the sticker here. Student says, I will stop racial discrimination in my generation. So raising students' awareness on this important day. Since you can see, we have different ethnic groups here. More than 27 ethnic groups, nationalities, and we hope to use this platform to get them to understand how to respect, accept, and appreciate different culture.
We have to be the role model where we influence the kids and make them believe they can change things. If we have a clear career pathway for our kids, and we make them start thinking after 6 years, after 8 years, this is what they can achieve and this is what we can help them with, and things will be meaningful. Our work will be meaningful, their life will be meaningful as well. So everything we do has a purpose. It's not just merely achieving examination results, but also guiding them.
It's an award they got. And instead of giving them stationery, we give these guys fruits. And so they have to share the whole of fruits so as a talking point for them and for the parents, like, why you got these fruits and stuff.
We do have children from the consulates studying here. We have well-off kids here, grassroots kids here, but you will not be able to see, and we do have refugee kids here as well. So therefore you will not be able to see like that sort of disintegration. Everything is like it's a small community inside. So kids are by far more much happier to be here in the school.
All right, guys, thank you for joining our Hot Dog Day. See you guys next year. Thank you.